In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a strike-through in Microsoft Word.
But before I do, make sure to subscribe.
A strike-through is simply a line that goes through a word in Microsoft Word. So how do I do this? Well, first select the word that you wish to add a strike-through to, and then we're going to look for the font area and look for this AB sign with a line through it. This is strike-through. Select it once. Now you have a horizontal line that goes through the middle or center of your word or phrase or text. If you're like me and like shortcuts on how to do things, then in order to get strike-through with a shortcut, press Ctrl A, and that will just select all your text. Then you're going to press Alt H at the same time. You can let go if you want to, but you'll notice the little symbols at the top will appear. Now, all you got to do is press 4 and it'll add a strike-through through your piece of text. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more shortcuts and how to use them in Microsoft Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.